And that's a good sign that we're in for a very good game. Kakao going to that combination. Espartero from the back row.
It was a very good first ball, but that pipe attack.
We have Obed Mukaba's family together with Greg Ancheta's family and Buds Budin's family. Complete attendance. Actually, it's a full row there. I asked them earlier. Bong first 6 completa. So first 12 nandyan.
And I love it na magkakatabi sila.
Mukaba will now serve. Picked up there by Espartero. Kakao going up to Miko. Miko gets that point.
Na-late din yung cross-court block nun from NU.
Crosscourt has been the bread and butter. Who has been the consistent top scorer of FEU. However, Espartero.
There was a miscommunication on the side of NU. And who will get that first ball?
Masyadong nasa likod.
Right, especially that they have a lot of firepower. Talking about the NU Bulldogs. That one is not a good first ball.
They try to convert it. FEU on the other side going to Miguel. He's denied. Duot was there. Setup coming from between to Miguel. He is denied. Coverage from Ceballos, the best libero. Espartero trying to get that one through. Oh, FEU! Recoiling. Look at this.
That was a good effort from the FEU Tamaraw. Their coverage was tight. Dalawang beses na block si Miguel on the opposite, but they were able to want to activate their other spikers and middle attackers and opposite, because during set number 1, mostly it's their wing attackers that giving points for their squad.
Pero he has been busy for the Tamaraws.
That's right. Not just in the offense, but also in serve receive.
Feb 21, FEU winning in 4 sets. Then they met in March 22, NU winning in 5 sets. Then of course,
Game
just a few days ago, game number 1, early May. So they meet almost a month apart.
Yeah.
Disquitado with that serve. Kakao popping that one up to Espartero.
So ito yung mga unforced errors for FEU. During set number 1, they tallied 10 unforced errors, but this time, maaga pa lang itong set number 2, medyo dumadami na yung errors nila.
In the floor right now.
And again, with that cross-court angle, of course, if makita mo na set number 1, as much as 4 points.
Points, yeah. The answer coming from Nico. Oh! Unable to notice that ball was spiked na Gibolos. May konting tension na nafe-feel mo, no? Kasi isa-isa lang yung nangyari. Piso-piso.
Yes.
Yung nangyari. Budin. Popped up by Kakao. Ceballos is there. They go up to Saavedra. They choose Ordiales. Ordiales will try again. Oh! They've been plagued by the attacks of the Pep Squad member, I kid, is now serving because earlier binuhat siya ng kanyang teammates. Oh, an easy answer by FEU.
But again, parang same story din ng set number 1. FEU was down by 2. Previous games itong dalawang teams na to, always 4 sets or 5 sets. So we'll see if FEU will be able to force a decider.
So, syempre, dagdag mo pa yung sabi mo, magnet ka ng 5 sets. So, malay mo naman. Diba? Yun yung sinasabi that you have to trust your teammates with your defense pattern. Kakao setting this one up to Espartero. That's off the hands of Disquitado. That is point number 14.
Take a look at that. Ang taas ng bola niya. Way above the blockers.
Once upon a time was the coach of the Tamaraws. Espartero getting a check this time. Disquitado with that serve. Espartero through the block this time.
It was not that strong hit compared to mga earlier cross-court hits ni Espartero, but that was a smart one. And Buds Budin.
Ancheta with that serve. Absin with that pickup. Absin is denied by Peng. Espartero will try. That gets through.
I love the grit there from Espartero.
Yung binitawad siya ni Leo. Tapos biglang sabi niya, ikaw cross-court na to.